Rules of a Happy Life. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Our topic for today is about rules of a happy life. Enjoy watching. 1. Stop drinking. Stop doing drugs. People who say that they're happy when they're high or drunk, are like people who get into debt and say they're rich. 2. Get off social media. This will make you happier than a six-figure income will. And I'm not pulling this out of my age. This is a scientifically researched fact. Constantly comparing yourself to others' staged and highly edited awesome, rich and happy pictures, is eroding your mental health. 3. Don't mistake pleasure for happiness. Pleasure is the very addictive, but very fleeting feeling you get from consumption. At some point you will always have to up the dose. More cars. More drugs. More money. More sex. More scrolling. Happiness is being at peace. Having enough. Not needing anything obsessively. 4. Fight for what you believe in. If you want to be happy, then have big, burning purpose in life. A purpose is your central life aim. What do you want your life to stand for? To find your purpose, ask yourself, when do you feel at your best? What are you really good at doing? Who or what inspires you? What do you believe in? Where do you see a problem that pisses you off that you want to change? We're most happy if we're pursuing something greater than ourselves. Next rule of the happy life. 5. Do the headstone test. Full credit to Vic Stretcher. Think about your inevitable death. In fact, imagine you die 1 year from now. What would you want written on your headstone? Some text goes here. 6. Meditate. Just like a gym membership, meditation is one of those things everybody says they do, but never feels like doing. No wonder we're seeing a rise in mental health issues. 7. Train your bollocks off. Your physiology, the way you move your body and how you train it, has a direct impact on your psychology. The fastest way to get out of a funk, is to do burpees or run up a hill until your lungs burn. The fastest way to get depressed, is to sit in front of your laptop all 8. Become financially free and increase time affluence. Yes, I'm telling you that money buys happiness. If you use it correctly. If you spend money to get status, new luxury cars, oversized house, vacations that you flex with on Insta, you'll be a miserable fucker. But if you use money as a way to free up more time, to become time rich, you'll be a very happy man. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to our channel, Brightest Life. Till our next